To start Shattered Space, follow these steps. Number 1, choose your platform. Decide whether you want to play on PC, console, or another device. Number 2, you download and install the game. You're playing on PC, maybe you need to download it from a platform like Steam or the game's official website. For consoles, check the respective online stores, all right? Number 3, you got to create an account if needed. So some games require an account. Follow the prompts to set up a necessary account if necessary, all right? Adjust the settings, number 4. So before diving in, adjust the game settings, the graphics, the controls, the audios to your preference. Number 5, start a new game. So you select new game from the main menu. You may have options for difficulty levels or game modes. Number 6, you follow the tutorial. If available, play through the tutorial. It's going to help you understand the game and the mechanisms and the mechanics and controls. Number 7, explore and enjoy. Begin your journey in the game. Take your time to explore the world, complete the missions, and engage in the storyline. If you have specific questions about the gameplay or the features, feel free to ask.